The fastest way to make money online right now, if you're a blogger, content creator, coach, or online entrepreneur, sell a digital product because there's no shipping, no inventory, and no burnout. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start selling your first digital product, even if you're a complete beginner with zero tech skills. I'm Jillian Leslie. I'm founder of MiloTree. I'm host of the Blogger Genius podcast, and I am someone who has been in the online business and blogging game for over a decade. My mission is to help creators and bloggers and entrepreneurs make money online the simplest way possible. And I've helped hundreds of people launch their first products, and I've helped them do it with confidence. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that too. Let's start at the beginning. What is a digital product? Well, it's anything you can sell that doesn't require a physical item. So really popular digital products are things like planners or checklists or templates or ebooks or digital art. It is even coaching and mini courses and workshops and memberships. So the great thing about these products, they are quick to create, easy to deliver, and they don't cost anything to ship because once they're made, you can sell them over and over again. So why are digital products such a powerful business model? Well, they come with a lot of perks. For example, you don't need any inventory. The profit margins are really high. Delivery can be instant and automatic, and I'm going to talk about that in a second. And remember, your market now is global. You can sell your product all over the world. And the best part, you can run this business in your spare time with tools that do the heavy lifting for you. So this is why I want to talk about MiloTree, because it is the perfect platform for beginners. So you might be thinking, okay, yeah, this sounds good, but where do I start? And I'm not good at tech. Well, that's why we built MiloTree. We wanted it to be the easiest platform and tool possible, and we offer a ton for free. And if you upgrade to our paid plans, they are so inexpensive. So for free with MiloTree, you could upload a digital file that you want to sell, like a template or an ebook, and we, with our AI, build your sales page for you. We even deliver your product automatically to your customer. Plus, you can use MiloTree to grow your email list with freebies and lead magnets that we also deliver to your new subscribers. And you can grow your social media followers 24/7 because we have pop-ups that you can install on your site to grow your followers, as I say, while you sleep. The best part is you can start selling something in under 10 minutes with no tech skills required. Again, we built this for people who hate complicated tools. Now, here is the trick to success that many people don't share, and that is do not overthink this. You want to start with something small and then build off of it, build off of that momentum to ultimately climb your digital product ladder. So let's talk about what that looks like. Well, you start with a small product, a checklist, a planner, an ebook. And then what I recommend is create a couple of them, bundle them into a whole host of digital downloads that solve a specific problem. From that, I recommend you host a live workshop with your new customers and offer, say, one-on-one coaching, and then you can create a membership with recurring revenue. That's a sweet spot, and eventually even, say, launch a high-ticket mastermind. So each step builds your confidence, it grows your audience, and of course, it increases your income. Now, if you want to get started right now and you're thinking, great, this sounds good, but I don't even have an idea yet. Well, guess what? I have you covered. Below, there's a link to grab my 13 AI prompts to help you write an entire ebook in under 3 hours. So these prompts are designed to help you come up with your product idea on the spot and turn it into something people actually want to buy. So the best part is I've included in my prompts the 6 proven purchasing triggers. I talk about this a lot in my videos. And these are, can you solve a problem for your audience that makes them money, saves them time, moves them toward happiness, moves them away from pain, or raises their social status. So the goal is to make sure your product does at least one of these things. This is how you get people to actually take out their credit card and buy. So even if you're stuck or you feel like you've nothing to sell, I promise you, just work through these prompts and you will have a finished ebook, and we even give you a Canva template to set it up. So just click the link below to get instant access, and of course, it's completely free. The secret, though, to a digital product that sells is to move fast. I have seen this over and over again work for our MiloTree customers. To build a successful digital product business, you have to, in fact, not just move fast, you have to move faster than you're comfortable with. Why? Because when you create a product, you're really testing a hypothesis. You believe your audience has a problem that you can solve, and you've used my AI prompts to hone in on that pokey problem, the something that nags at your audience and gets in their way, but you won't know if your idea works until you put it out into the world. So that's why the fastest path to success is to launch and then to test and learn and iterate. The most successful creators I see, they do not wait for things to be perfect. And they embrace something I talk about a lot called B- work. So B- work means you are not trying to be perfect. You're just trying to help people in your audience. But I'm not saying do average level work, because remember, B- work is still above average. However, done is better than perfect, because remember, perfection leads to procrastination. But B- work, that helps people, that makes sales, that gets feedback, and that builds momentum. Your B- product today might be the A+ product 6 months from now, but only if you get it there into the world now. So instead of spinning in circles trying to make the perfect planner, guide, ebook, or course, please launch something small and simple, get it in front of people, and then improve as you go. Here are some examples of real people using MiloTree to sell their digital products. So David, for example, sold 4 coaching packages at $4.97 each using MiloTree, because he doesn't even have a website, because we give you the sales page to share on social media and in your newsletter, and that's how he was able to get his 4 clients. Now, Tara, who's a food blogger, she used MiloTree to grow her email list with a freebie, and now she sells gluten-free meal plans every day. Jennifer, who is also a blogger, she was not techie at all. In fact, this was incredibly intimidating for her, but she launched a $19 downloadable money-saving planner, and she made her first $150 online in just 2 weeks. These are not unicorns. These are everyday creators who started with a simple idea and took action. So please don't wait for perfect. Just get something out there. You do not need a huge audience or a ton of experience to make money selling digital products. You just need a simple plan, the right tool, and the courage to start. So click the link below to get started with MiloTree for free and start selling your first product today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because in part 2, I will show you how to build an audience of hungry buyers so you have the perfect people to sell to. I hope you like this video, and I will see you here again next week.